Abdul Rab and the Kindness Garden. Abdul Rab loved his grandparents' house. It was full of wonderful smells, like Grandpa's cardamom tea and Grandma's sweet rosewater cakes. But best of all was the garden, a place bursting with colorful flowers and busy little bugs. One sunny afternoon, Abdul Rab saw his grandpa, whose name was Ubaid-ur-Rahman, carefully watering a tall, graceful sunflower. "Grandpa," Abdul Rab asked, "why do you spend so much time with the flowers? Don't you get tired?" Ubaid-ur-Rahman chuckled, his laugh like the rustling of dry leaves. "These are not just flowers, my dear Abdul Rab. They are like our elders. They have been here a long time and hold much wisdom. This sunflower, for example, always turns to face the sun, reminding us to look for the light in our lives." Just then, Grandma, whose name was Sadia, came into the garden. She was carrying a small basket. She sat down beside a fragrant jasmine vine and began to gently pick the delicate white blossoms. "What are you doing, Grandma?" Abdul Rab asked, skipping over to her. "I am gathering these flowers to make a soothing tea," she said softly. "The jasmine teaches us that even small and gentle things can bring great comfort and healing." Abdul Rab looked from the wise sunflower to the gentle jasmine. He saw how his grandparents cared for them and how the plants gave back beauty and comfort. He wanted to help too. He spotted a patch of thirsty-looking marigolds. He picked up a small watering can, just his size, and carefully gave the marigolds a drink. As the water touched their roots, the flowers seemed to stand up a little taller, their orange and yellow faces brightening. Ubaid-ur-Rahman and Sadia watched him, their hearts full of love. "You see, Abdul Rab," said Ubaid-ur-Rahman, "when you care for your elders, you help them stay strong and bright, and in return, they share their wisdom and love with you." Abdul Rab understood. Helping his grandparents was like watering the flowers. It was a way to show his love and help them shine. He gave his grandpa a big hug. "You are my sunflower, Grandpa." Then he ran to his grandma and hugged her too. "And you are my jasmine, Grandma." From that day on, Abdul Rab was the best little gardener, always ready to help his beloved grandparents, the wisest and most beautiful flowers in his life.